क्या आप ग्रामर दोस्त जाते हैं?
हाँ, YouTube का बेस्ट ग्रामर चैनल है।
ग्रामर
क्या?
99% लोग जाते हैं ग्रामर दोस्त को भी, क्या आप भी उसमें हैं?
Are you tired of making embarrassing grammar mistakes?
Gasp!
Mr. Nazir Ahmed,
Please tell us about English grammar. Sir, grammar की videos बनाएं पर हमें सीखना है.
Grammar Dost is here of Let's Make Grammar Easy for Everyone.
Definitely, I will help you to improve your English grammar about noun and its 17 types. Yes, 17 types. Noun, its types, definition, examples, and their usage. First of all, we will see common noun. What is common noun? The name of common person, place, or thing or idea is called common noun, or a general name for a person, place, or thing is called common noun, like boy, car, city, etc. Usage, you can see that the boy is playing in the park. The boy is a common noun. Proper noun. Proper noun is a name of particular person, place, or thing, or a specific name for person, place, or thing. For example, John, India, Pakistan, Eiffel Tower, USA, etc. are called proper noun. Usage is John lives in New York. The word John is a proper noun. Concrete noun. Concrete noun. Something you can see, touch, or feel is called concrete noun. For example, apple, chair, water. You can see and also touch. Usage is chair is made of wood. The chair is made of wood. The chair is a concrete noun. Abstract noun. The noun you cannot see or touch but feel. It refers to ideas, quality, or feeling that cannot be touched. For example, happiness, bravery, love, hate, etc. are called abstract noun. For example, usage is happiness is important in life. Word happiness is a abstract noun. Yes, another noun is countable noun. The noun you can count is called countable noun. Things you can count is called countable noun. For example, books, cars, chairs, etc. Usage is I have 3 books in my bag. 3 books is counted, countable noun. Another example of noun is uncountable noun. The noun you cannot count. The things you can't count is called countable noun. Examples are sugar, water, air. Usage is sugar is sweet. The word sugar is a uncountable noun. Another type of noun is collective noun. The collective noun are word that refer to a group. Collective noun is called a group of noun. For example, team, herald, class are called collective noun. Usage is the team won the match. The team is a collective noun because one team consists 11 players. 11 players make a collective noun. Singular noun. What is singular noun? Refer to one person, place, or thing is called singular noun. For example, dog, house, pen, etc. are called singular noun. Usage is dog is barking. The dog is a singular noun. Plural noun. Plural noun is refer to more than one person, place, or thing. For example, dogs, houses, pens. You can add s, res, or ies. Usages: dogs are barking loudly. The dogs are plural name. Compound noun is made up of two or more words combined. Two or more words joined together make a one word is called compound noun. For example, toothpaste, toothpaste. Mother-in-law, classroom, classroom. Usage is she bought a tube of toothpaste. Toothpaste word toothpaste is compound noun. Toothpaste. It is made of two words. Tooth and paste. This is called compound noun. Another example of noun is possessive noun. Shows ownership. The noun shows ownership is called possessive noun. For example, John's book. John's apostrophe s is called a possessive noun. Cat's tail. For example, this is John's car. John's car is a possessive noun. Another noun is material noun. Refer to substance or material or things, concrete things. Gold, wood, iron. These are called material noun. The ring is made of gold. Gold is a material noun. Another example is verbal noun. What is verbal noun? A noun formed from a verb, but it doesn't show action. The verb that is formed from verb but doesn't show action. For example, reading, writing, swimming. They are called verbal noun. Usage: reading is my hobby. Reading is my hobby. Gerund are verbal noun. What is gerund noun? A noun formed from a verb by adding ing. It acts as a noun. It acts as a noun. For example, singing, dancing, running. These are called gerund noun. Usage are singing is her passion. Singing, word singing is a gerund noun. Masculine noun. Masculine noun is show male gender. Refers to male gender is called masculine noun. For example, boy, man, king. All these are masculine noun because they show male gender. Usage are the king ruled the kingdom. The king, word king is a masculine noun. Feminine noun. Feminine noun refer to a female gender. Refers to a female gender. For example, girl, woman, queen, etc. Usage are the queen greeted her people. The queen is a masculine noun. Neutral noun. What is neutral noun? Refer to things without life. Refers to things without life. Lifeless things are called neutral noun. For example, table, book, computer. They are called neutral noun. For example, book is on the table. On the table. Table is a neutral noun. Thank you. For more information, please subscribe this channel and enjoy the podcast.